Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To locate your router's IP address, follow these steps. For Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig, then look for the default gateway. For macOS, go to System Preferences, greater than Network. Select your connection, click Advanced, and navigate to the TCP/IP tab. For mobile devices, look in the Wi-Fi settings and tap on your connected network. The most common IP addresses are 192.168.1.1 feet or 192.168.0.1.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.